Convenience call 4680.
And 3, I have it. 414 is actually a third victim here. Echo 983 is en route.
I have it.
Jake Bates, 714 on the way also.
Alright, I have it.
Echo 93, go to 9.
Echo 93, go to 9.
3 going to 9. Yeah, let's see Echo looking for.
Look for the Echo 93, go to 9.
Yeah, 903 is going to 9. Back to crime scene, what, is it shooting or stabbing or what?
We had a couple of people shot. ID's gonna log on in a minute and wind their way up.
93 on 9. Echo 903 on 9.
Oh, 983 going to 9.
Lima 981 to the Echo 980. Go ahead, Craig. Okay, I'm around, so if we can give you a hand. Okay. En route now, so as soon as I get up there, I'll give you a holler. Ready. Hey, Joe, Jack here. I'm on my route. I'll be there in about 2 minutes myself. We're gonna need a net. So let me get the side street here. Yeah, Echo 93, have them shut it off down the end of Beach and Watch.
At Beach Watch, I have that.
Yeah, we got it.
Jake 101, Jake 416. Operation with Jake TS.
Yeah, Jake. Go ahead, sir.
Dodge, I'm gonna take the EDT to help out on 5 for a few minutes. That's the 101 and the 416.
Absolutely, by all means.
16, I have that.
101 en route. Come. Yeah, Echo 903, push H and H up there, please.
Alright, I have that. Dodge, just confirm we got 3 shots, is that correct?
That's correct, 3 shots. Yeah, Echo Charlie 1, Echo 903, 5409.
5409.
I have it. Yeah, the Echo Delta 2 and Echo Delta 3 on their way. We're about 2 minutes off.
Alright, I have that. And EMS is en route.
Sorry, Soldiers Field Road and Cambridge Street.
What is it? Alfie, just be advised, if there are any schools in the area, can you keep that, or let them know to keep them in school until this is cleared up?
Have it. I'm heading over there right now.
All right, thanks, Todd.
Paramedic 5, US P2, A17, A3, and C13. I do now, sir, 1340.
A31, state.
A3's on scene, 1340. And ambulance 7, Boston.
They have a better chance of getting up than coming straight up beach.
Oh, is that
Yeah, we had that. We're going to head through ditches. We're just going to flip back around.
going to be? I have 432. Is that 432 or 532?
432.
432. Okay.
Yankee Alpha, that's 500 on Beach Street. Echo 983.
Go ahead, sir.
Yeah, will you make the notifications, please?
I have that. That's going to be full.
Yes, that's correct. I'm going to need full notifications here.
I have that. Yes, I already have it.
Ambulance 4, could you head to the illness 2121 Washington Street, Roxbury, 2121 more, apartment 427 at 1342 8
Go ahead, sir.
Yeah, you see if you could get a couple of units, detective units from District 18 to go to Poplar and Metropolitan Ave, see if they can locate any ballistic evidence there, please.
Can't have that.
Lima 981.
981.
Yeah, Lima 981. Myself and the Lima 811 will head up to that Popular and Met, all right?
All right, I have it, sir. Thank you.
Echo 103, is that the school on Poplar Street?
Yeah, we want that to shut down.
Oh, 427.
427.
From what I understand, this car was stopped at the light on Poplar at Metropolitan when the incident occurred.
103, we have the Spanish-speaking officer on...
All right, you guys are stepping on each other. Stand by. I have the Echo Delta 3 coming up there to interpret for you guys.
All right, can you have Echo 1429 ballistics at the intersection of Metropolitan and Poplar?
All right, so we're going to need the Met at Poplar.
Echo 93.
93.
I need, if available, 2 service units to follow this EMS down.
Okay, stand by.
Echo 983.
983.
Yeah, to make this a little easier, any further requests or needs by the officers on scene, would they please check with me before we get on the air and start cutting each other off? Thank you.
I have that.
Echo 103.
Echo 13.
They want this elementary school on Poplar Street closed down. They want everyone inside, locked down.
That's correct for right now, sir.
Lima 981.
Go ahead, sir.
Myself and the 811 will go up to that Met and Poplar. We'll mark out that evidence up there. Just tell the marking out to stand by. We'll be there in about 2 minutes.
Okay, I have that. Stand by. I have our detectives from 18 coming up there. Lima Base?
We have it.
Lima PS? Operations, Lima PS.
Yeah, Echo Charlie 1. We get any available MOP units to come over and help out with the traffic and the school lockdown and the other items we may need.
All right, I have it. Stand by.
Lima 901, I am headed down there.
Do I have any available?